बिग बॉस मराठी सीझन 6 मधील स्पर्धक आयुष संजीव यांच्याबद्दल काही माहिती. रिअल नेम आयुष संजीव साळुंखे. डेट ऑफ बर्थ 11 जानेवारी 1995. बर्थ प्लेस पुणे, महाराष्ट्र. ही इज करंटली 31 years old. Education MBA. He completed his education in University of Mumbai. Ayush is a good actor, dancer and choreographer also. His father Sanjeev Salunkhe. His real life mother. He started his career as a background dancer. His first serial name is Boss Maaji Ladachi. Then he worked in Chhattis Guni Jodi. Now he is Big Boss Marathi season 6 contestant. His hobbies is cricket and gardening. Favorite color black and orange. Height 5.8 feet. Weight 70 kg. Ayush is Hindu by religion. His new song is Pirmacha Naad Khola with Anushri Mane. माहिती आवडली असल्यास लाईक करा आणि अशाच नवनवीन माहितीसाठी आपल्या चॅनेलला सबस्क्राईब करा.